Every time when I open my Microsoft Outlook application, by default, it will automatically take me to this specific email inbox. But in my case, I have multiple email addresses and I want some other inbox or some other folder to be selected or to be opened whenever I open my Outlook application. Howdy everyone. I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. In this video, I will walk you through step by step method how you can change your default mailbox in Microsoft Outlook application. So first of all, open your Outlook, click on the File tab available on the top left corner of your screen. Now, from the left navigation section, there are multiple options. You have to select Options. It will open Outlook Options dialog box. Again, from the left navigation section, you have to select Advanced. Now, on the right panel, you will see Outlook Start and Exit. Start Outlook in this folder. There is an inbox which is already selected. You have to click on this Browse and you will see all the email addresses and the folders are listed here. Now the point is, by default, Outlook select a specific inbox for you. If you want to change it, you simply have to select the inbox. Say I want to select this email address. So I have to expand this and I want this inbox to be selected whenever I reopen my Outlook application. Select it, hit OK. Now this inbox is freezed. Simply hit OK and boom. And from the next time, whenever you open your Microsoft Outlook, the inbox which you have currently changed will be open by default. If you learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.